Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of white noise machines for 2024. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, focus, or just create a calming space, these sound machines have you covered. Let's explore the best options out there this year. Brown noise. First up, we have the Brown Noise Sound Machine, a versatile device loaded with 30 soothing sounds designed to help everyone, from adults and kids to even babies, enjoy better sleep and relaxation. This sound machine goes beyond white noise, offering a range of tones and frequencies, including brown noise, pink noise, ocean waves, and even calming nature sounds, allowing you to tailor the experience to your preference. And with a color night light that features 12 adjustable shades, you can set the perfect ambiance whether it's for winding down at night or creating a soft glow in a child's room. What really makes this sound machine stand out is its memory function, so it recalls your preferred settings each time you power it up. With 36 volume levels, you can adjust it to the exact sound level you need, and there are 5 timer options, perfect for ensuring it runs exactly as long as you want, whether at home or on the go. Portable and simple to use, it's ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, or even travel. Kipcush. Next up is the Kipcush White Noise Machine, a high-quality sound machine with features that make it ideal for both adults and babies. This model comes with 30 high-fidelity soundtracks, including white noise, fan sounds, and natural soundscapes, giving you a wide variety of sound options to match your mood or need. What's unique here is the full-touch metal grille and buttons, which add a premium feel and make it super easy to control, even in the dark. It also features a 7-color nightlight option, so you can choose a calming light color to enhance the atmosphere in your room. The Kipcush machine is designed with convenience in mind, boasting a memory feature that automatically saves your last sound and volume settings, along with a timer option so it can automatically turn off after a set period. Powered through a plug-in setup, it's reliable for all-night use without the worry of battery drain. Whether you're setting it up in a nursery, an office, or your bedroom, this sound machine provides a powerful way to improve relaxation and sleep. Hatch Restore 2. Up next, the Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock is much more than a typical alarm clock. It's designed to help you get better sleep, combining a white noise machine, sunrise alarm, and customizable smart light all in one sleek bedside device. The Restore 2 is packed with 30 soothing sounds, like white noise, pink noise, and nature-inspired soundscapes, that drown out background noise and help you fall asleep faster. But it doesn't stop there. The sunrise alarm feature is a gentle way to wake up, mirroring natural light so you can say goodbye to jarring alarms. You can tap the device to peek at the time with a dimmable display, or manage everything from the companion app, which lets you customize routines and sounds from your phone. This sleep clock is super intuitive to use. It even has a simple one-button press to start your nighttime routine, or turn off the morning alarm. With the Hatch Plus membership, you can expand your library to include guided meditations, sleep stories, and curated wind-down channels, all helping to make a restful night even easier. SNOOZ Pro. Next this. SNOOZ Pro takes white noise to the next level with its unique design. Unlike many sound machines that rely on digital looping, SNOOZ Pro has an actual fan inside, providing a rich, non-looping white noise that feels more natural. The sound is fully customizable. Adjust the tone and volume to perfectly suit your environment and personal preferences. Whether you're at home or on the go, this compact device is ultra convenient, and it even comes with a travel case so you can bring a little slice of tranquility wherever you are. SNOOZ Pro is also smart-enabled. Just download the SNOOZ app to control settings remotely, set sleep timers, and manage routines right from your phone. If you're looking for a powerful, authentic white noise experience, the SNOOZ Pro is an ideal choice. Dreamegg. Lastly, on list, the Dreamegg White Noise Sound Machine is a versatile companion for both adults and babies. Lightweight and portable, this sound machine packs in 16 soothing nature sounds, including fan noises, waves, and white noise, making it easy to find your perfect setting. It's ideal for at-home use or for taking on trips. Plus, with a built-in timer and a travel-friendly design, it's perfect for busy lifestyles. Just set it and let it lull you to sleep, or drown out distractions. It's especially great for parents looking to create a peaceful sleep environment for babies, or for professionals seeking a little extra privacy in open office setups. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift or a simple way to enhance focus and sleep quality, the Dreamegg white noise machine is a top choice. And that's a wrap on the best white noise machines for 2024. If you're ready to upgrade your relaxation game, check out the links below. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more top product picks. Thanks for watching, and here's to peaceful nights and focused days.